it's Miss Theo here with Art and Design. I have some lessons for you. This is called the series of creating patterns. So lesson 1, we're going to create a pattern using lines. We're going to choose what types of lines we're going to use. In lesson 2, we're going to talk about creating a pattern using shapes. And then in the last lesson, which is lesson 3, we are going to mix the lines and the shapes. So for lesson number 1, which is creating a pattern using lines, you only need a paper. It can be a color paper, it can be a plain paper, any type of paper that you want. So you can practice on that one. You need a ruler. I've asked for a ruler because we're going to be using straight lines, and you will need a pencil. I will not be using a pencil because if you can see, it's not very visible, but I'll use a marker instead of a pencil. So a pattern, if we can remember what we learned in class, some of you, is repeating your lines or repeating your shapes, changing them over and over, repeating one line after another. So we'll start with making a pattern of straight lines and zigzag lines. Remember, there are many types of lines. You can also try use curved lines, but it's up to you. For the lesson, I'm going to show how we can create a pattern using straight and zigzag lines. So a pattern is as simple as repeating your lines, straight then zigzag, straight then zigzag, straight then zigzag, until you finish at the end of the paper. You can practice this on many papers and see how good you're becoming each and every time. Try as much as possible not to erase when you make a mistake. Just go over and continue with your pattern. There we go. Alright, so I made a number of them. You can also practice. See, I was also practicing and made a number of patterns using straight lines and zigzag lines. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.